Today I want to show you the cheapest and easiest way to flatten your gravel driveway or your dirt driveway or your stone driveway. It's the easiest thing I could figure out. I got just a junk pallet. It's in good shape, but it's an old pallet. I wrapped chain around it and I put an angle iron bar underneath that I'm going to show you. All I do is drag it with my ATV and it naturally flattens out the stone as it goes along because it's going to push it in the front and fill in the rough spots or the potholes and all the rest of it. And when we're done, it'll be nice and smooth. Right here on the Everyday Man. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. All right, let me show you what we got going on. So this is an old pallet that's been laying around forever. So all I did is I wrapped the chain in a loop under here and around to go under this plank, and then they both, same side on both sides, they go back up and hook up to the ATV. On the front of the pallet I added a couple of pieces of angle iron. I just had these laying around. I screwed them in. There's slots here and here, so I didn't have to drill any holes. I screwed them in here and here and put them on. But quite frankly, I used the pallet without the steel and it kind of worked just as good. So there's a better look at the chain. You can see how it loops around there and it loops around that one. And I just hooked them real quickly up to the back of the ATV. I'm using my ATV, but you could use a zero turn or a lawn tractor just as easy. This is a pretty steep hill, but if your driveway is fairly flat, you won't have any trouble pulling it. You'll know if you're driving too fast because the pallet will start bouncing around. I'm running just about 5 miles an hour and the pallet stays nice and centered while I'm pulling it. I ended up making 5 passes in both directions and the results are really good. And that's all there is to it. You can see there's a little pile of stone up front here, so it's dragging the stone, and when there's a deep spot in the ground, that stone fills the deep spot and the rest of the pallet glides right over it, and you can see how smooth it is back there. Nice and smooth. So we got rid of all the ruts and this can settle now, and this is so cheap I can just put this on the side of the pole barn and use it every week if I need to. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.